Okay, so Kordz PRS4.
When AK came around, the market was really thinking about what are the applications of AK, and for us, we wanted to give the market a reference product that is engineered for high performance. So the PRS series, so we always offer the latest performance, the latest speeds, the highest speeds in any given technology range. We wanted to kind of be one of the first to give a good product that goes the long distance. And so that's where the kind of AOC products came around.
We really looked at HDMI cables and how we can further making ease of installation. And one of those things was to give it a shape that would be easy to install, because connectors, they're gold plated, but they actually have a metal shell inside. And the head shell on the outside is polycarbonate because it's tough, but it's also flexible, so that, when you feed the cable through with the head shell and it's all taped up, it makes it easy to thread. And these types of things you can really only know and experience from having done a lot of installation. We're one of the few companies that actually take this ultra high speed certified cable to 20 meters, which is a huge achievement because ultra high speed certification requires full enhanced audio return channel to be fully supported. So to get to 20 meters is very difficult. In fact, a lot of cable manufacturers are certified to 10 meters.
I think another thing that we engineered into this product is we're using very, very low power draw modules. So the modules are the things that are the electronic components inside the connector heads of AOC products to convert electricity to light and then light back into electricity on the other side. We're using very, very low power draw, which means that you don't actually need to power these cables using a external USB power. Because they're certified by HDMI with ultra high speed, we know they are completely transparent to the system. They act just like a normal HDMI passive product.
For me personally, I come from an integrators background, and I've worked with Kordz for most of my projects, whether in HDMI or even with their network patch cords, and a bunch of other products, and I've always enjoyed doing that because the product just works.
Fantastic range of HDMI cables. We used to randomly use cables from various brands, but we would have problems sometimes. But since switching to Kordz, they have a HDMI cable for every purpose, whether it's short just from point to point or something in the back of the rack. They've got some dedicated cables for that that are really, really great. Or something longer over greater distances. They have their fiber optic HDMI cables.
We've been using Kordz for the last 15 years. One of the best things about Kordz is that I know every time we use their products in a project, it'll never fail. We can pick up a product out of the packet and know that it's been tested. We know that it's going to do the job that it says on the packet, and we can walk away from that project knowing that it's going to last the lifetime of that project.